Disappointing. That's how sports marketer Carol Beckford views the recent announcement by the Ministry of Sport that it will begin dialogue with local sporting associations for the safe return of sports on the island. Jerome Foster reports.
The 47 local sporting associations were given a boost last week that competitive sports might be on the cards soon. With the announcement by the Ministry of Sports that talks with the local governing bodies were being planned for the safe return of sports. However, sports marketer Carol Beckford is not pleased with the last-ditch attempt.
And I am very disappointed that our minister, whether silently or not, didn't represent us at the highest level of this country. That the Minister of Health could have come on national TV and radio and confess that them just are going to start me to the sporting bodies.
Beckford did not spare the association leaders either for their lack of proactiveness.
We have 5 sports that are at the top of the game internationally. So track and field, football, cricket, basketball and netball, whether they have or they have not, should have made a representation to both those ministries at the same time.
The communication specialist thinks the importance of the sports industry has been forgotten in the pandemic and feels greater consideration should be given to the economic impact to the ordinary citizen.
The contribution of sport to GDP, we're going up now between 5 and 7%. The combined sports creative sector. But it employs people steadily, whether part-time or full-time. And that is my thing, the engagement of people. One of the things about COVID is that despite its efforts to lock the typical family at home, the people who work in the industries at least can come out and act responsibly.
Horse racing, track and field, golf and lawn tennis are among the sporting disciplines to have gotten permission to stage competitions during the pandemic. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.